happens when resource, opportunities, and privilege are not shared fairly among people. It is influenced by factors like wealth, education, race, gender, and government policies. The rich often have more access to quality education, health care, and job opportunities, while poor struggle to improve their situation. Discrimination based on race, gender, or ethnicity also creates barriers, making it harder for marginalized groups to succeed. Government policies and taxes, wages of welfare can either reduce or worsen inequality. To reduce social inequality, societies must be ensure equal access to education, wages, and strong anti-discrimination laws. Government should task the wealthy more to fund social programs that helps the less fortunate. Universal healthcare can provide medical access for everyone, regardless of income. Reducing social inequality requires a joint effort from governments, business, and communities to create a fairer and more inclusive society. And this is my example of social inequality.